Welcome. SpottyShoW present. Tokyo is the capital of Japan and is located in East Asia. It has been called the world's most populous metropolis, with a steadily growing population each year. Tokyo is very popular with foreigners who want to work, study or take a vacation. There are three main tourist areas: the Tokyo metropolitan area, the center of the city where various facilities are gathered, Okutama, mountainous areas, and the Izu/Ogasawara Islands, island villages. Travelers may be unaware of unique facts about Tokyo that are interesting and fascinating. Maybe after knowing a unique fact. Here are some unique and interesting facts about the city of Tokyo that you shouldn't miss. Number 1. Oshiya. In Tokyo, there is an occupation called Oshiya, or pusher, that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. People who work as Oshiya are recruited to squeeze literally millions of train passengers into their carriages during rush hour. Number 2. Shinjuku. Shinjuku is a commercial city with office buildings, luxury hotels, entertainment and shopping malls. Shinjuku Station is the largest and busiest train station in the world. An average of 3.7 million passengers pass through this station every day. Shinjuku Station is a must-see place when vacationing in Japan. Number 3. Vending machine. Travelers will find vending machines every 12 meters. You can buy anything from cold drinks, ice cream, burgers and more from our extensive vending machines. Number 4. Neon sign. Tokyo is the city with the most neon signs in the world. When visiting Tokyo, don't miss the bright neon signs at the intersections of this city, especially Shinjuku, Kabukicho, and Shibuya. Number 5. Cooking. Tokyo is also known as a gastronomic city popular with Japanese and tourists alike, and the city has the highest number of Michelin-starred restaurants. In Tokyo, there are 223 restaurants with one or more Michelin stars. Currently, there are 14 of his 3 Michelin-starred restaurants. Number 6. Robot. If you like technology and robots, be sure to visit Hen-na Hotel in Ginza, Tokyo. This hotel in Ginza is the first hotel in the world to use robots to serve guests. Number 7. Skytree Tower. Tokyo Skytree, which serves as a transmission tower for digital broadcasting, is the tallest tower in the world at 634 meters. The tower was entered into the Guinness World Records on November 17, 2011. Number 8. Shibuya Crossroad. Shibuya Crossing in Tokyo is the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world. During rush hour, about 2,500 people cross the street simultaneously from all directions. Number 9. Sumo Academy. In the capital, Tokyo, there is a district that is home to sumo, or fat man. The Ryogoku district is home to the Ryogoku Sumo Hall and many sumo schools. And last. Number 10. Coffee shop. There are many unique cafes in Tokyo, such as cat cafes, Totoro cafes, and Dracula cafes. Don't forget the themed cafes like Sailor Moon and Pokemon Cafe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.